Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Durable, how to create websites using Durable. As we know, Durable is a website that provides information and resources about long-lasting and reliable products, focusing on items that are built to last and withstand wear and tear. First, search on it like this, and now here you will find the information about the website. Here you can, as you know, you can build a website in 30 seconds with AI, and also here the information about the website here. The AI website builder that generates an entire website with image and copy in seconds. First of all, sign in with Google, and now create a new business. Click on it. Now enter your business name like this. Now choose your industry, food delivery, and after this enter your location and choose the website language, and after this click create business and wait the website to generate it. First click here edit, and here you can edit the site name. Just enter or type your site name. Also here you can turn this on or turn it off, the logo, and upload a file from this from the browser or from your gallery, from your image. And here you can also turn this on or turn this off like this, and add your external link. Also here you can turn this on, open link in a new page, or this social links. After this, just click save and it will be saved. If you're done from this section, let's move on to the next section. Here click add section. I'm gonna add the gallery section like this. We'll find here the banner section. Click edits, and here we'll find this. Just enter your what you want here, the heading, name, and if you want to regenerate it, just click like this and it will be regenerated. Also here we will find this subtext section here. Just enter your subtext or regenerate it like this. And here also you will find this button. Just turn it off or turn it on if you want. Also here add your external link, and here we'll find this open link in new page, turn it on, and after this just click save and it will be saved. uh, Here you will find this regenerate. You can regenerate the content like this. Also you can regenerate the style of the entire section. If you want the entire section to regenerate, just click on it like this. And if you want to duplicate, if you want to move it down like this, and if you want to delete, just click here and click delete and it will be deleted. uh, if we done from here, let's move on to the next section. Here we will find the gallery section. Click edit, and now change your gallery name if you want. Here we will find the image. If you want to generate them, just click generate, and that's it. And if you want also to upload some image from the browser, just click on this and choose any image from your browser. And also here you can search on food delivery. Let's see here, and here we will find uh, like Let's see the food delivery. I'm gonna choose this or this. Click on it like this and wait to upload, and that's it. After this, just click save and it should be saved like this. If you want to regenerate the entire section or just the contents, click on it and wait to regenerate it. And let's move on to the next section. Here we will find the location section. Click edit and you can change here the location. Just type anything you want here, and after this just click save. Click here and click save and it should be saved. After this we will find this section. Click on edit like this, and here we'll find the content. Regenerate if you want the content like this. Just click regenerate and it will be regenerated. And here if you want to regenerate the image, just click on it like this and wait a few seconds. That's it, it will be regenerated. Also here, if you want to turn this on, the button, you can change the label here. You can or like this, and here add your external link, and after this just click, after you add your external link, just click save and it will be saved. And let's move on to the next section. The next section, as we see here, just click edit, and here you can regenerate the image of the website like this, and click save and it will be saved. After this, I think this is the last section. Click here and you can change your business name. You can also turn this on or turn it off. You can add your additional details. You can turn this button on. You can change this, and here also you can add your link. After this, just click save and it will be saved. After this, if you done from all this, you will find this publish. Just click on it and you will publish your website easy and quick. And that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end.